Hello and welcome everybody. This tutorial is to show you how to show and hide a card depend on the value exist in your data source. So the example here will show you how to hide this card if there is no data in the population table. Okay, we have here a population table contain 4 records. Okay, as you can see, country and population. Okay, currently I'm showing the summation of this 4 country, and now I want this card to hide if there is no data or the population equals 0 in the table. Now let's see how to do this. Okay, first I will truncate the table and let you see how the card display if there is no data in this current state. As you can see, I will refresh. Now there is no data in the table. I truncated the table. Okay. Instead of this, I need to hide this card. Okay, so I will make the example on this card and to see the difference between both. Okay. First of all, I need to make a measure. Okay, let's call it measure sum population, and this will be an if condition measure. Let's see, if sum of population equals 0, return empty string, else return the summation itself. Okay. Okay, let's add the data again to the table to see how it works. Okay, now the table have the 4 row again. Let us refresh and use the measure. Okay, first step, we make this measure as a field instead of the sum of population. Okay, now it's already 274. Let's make it without any decimal places. Let's add it like 0, so it is the same as this. Okay, let's see now how it looks like when we remove the data from the table. I will truncate the table again. Okay, now there is no data in the table, as you can see. Now I will refresh. Now it's returned with empty string as a sum of population equals 0. There is no data in the table. So this is the first step. Okay. Now we will work on the title itself, because now we hide the value. Now let's hide the population title. Okay. We will make another measure. Let's call it measure title. And the same function, if sum of population equals 0, then return nothing, else return the title that I want to add, and it was population. Okay, let's click on this correct mark. Now we have the other measure. Now let's see how to append or assign this measure to display instead of static value population. We'll click on the card, we'll go to the format, general, title, and add, and click on conditional formatting, and from here you will choose the measure that we have created, measure title. Click on OK. As you can see, there is no data now in the population, so it's returned empty value. So now the card totally hidden, and this is a normal card, and this is our card, which is normally hidden now from the dashboard. Okay. Okay. Now someone can ask if there is a color for the background itself for the dashboard. Simply let's make it like this, so the card will be shows. Simply you will add the same color to the card, so it will not shows like this. Okay, this is very simple. And if we add the data again, it will normally shows in the dashboard, as you can see. Okay, I hope this tutorial is useful for someone, and thank you. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.